Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna talk over this problem of controls. Find an expression for the Laplace transform of the forced response of the system. 3 dy dt plus 4y equals 2 ut with initial condition y0 equals 5 with unit step input ut is equal to ust and with output y of t. First, we have to know what a forced response is. So we have to recall what a forced response means. So in a linear system analysis of time or Laplace domain, the total response ys or y of t of a system is the sum yt equals y natural plus y forced t. The natural response, also called a homogeneous response, comes from the system's initial conditions, that is the system's own dynamics when inputs are zero. The forced response or particular solution is a portion of the output caused directly by the external inputs. In the Laplace domain, we typically assume zero initial conditions, so the output is purely forced response. So, yes. So first, what we do is let's write this in a form that we know and love. So this is 3 dy dt plus 4y equals 2 ut. Y0 equals 5. However, for a forced response, we want to set all the initial conditions to 0. So instead of using this, we actually used just 0 as the initial condition. Instead of writing dy dt, we can actually just write it as y prime, which is usually what Laplace transform uses. And we want to take the Laplace transform on both sides, so 3y prime plus Laplace of 4y equals Laplace of 2ut. So here is the Laplace table that we'll be using. So basically, y of s is equal to that function, and we can see that for the unit step function, it is equal to 1 over s. And for let me see, do they give you for, yes, they give you for, this is the equation we need over here. So s to the power of n times f of s minus that. I know it looks complicated, but what this is actually saying is simple. So n minus k, so from k minus 1 to n. So if n is equal to 2, then this term will be s to the power of 2 minus 1, which is simply s. So like for the Laplace of 3y prime, it's equal to basically using the formula we just looked at, and I'm actually gonna copy and paste it here. Hold on. Um, and so Laplace of 3y prime is going to be equal to basically, oops, let me see. So the n power over here is going to be equal to 1, so we'll have s to power of 1 times, we are going to use y of s, so y of s following this equation over here. And our initial condition is 0, so we don't have to worry about this part, which is the initial condition. And then plus Laplace of 4y, which is going to be 4 times when n is equal to, so this is when n is equal to 0, which is give us s to the power of 0, which is 1. So 1 times f of s is y of s. So 4y of s. So this is 3 sy of s plus 4y of s. 4y of s. And this is equal to the Laplace of 2ut. So Laplace of ut is going to be 1 over s. So Laplace of 2ut is going to be 2 over s. So now we solve for ys, and this is going to be forced. So basically, we're going to factor out the y of s. So y of y forced. I don't know why it is so laggy. Yeah. Whoa. So y forced. Yeah. S. I don't know why it's so laggy. Of 3s plus 4 is equal to 2 over s. So y forced s is equal to 2 over s times 3s plus 4, which matches this choice over here. So this is the correct answer. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and see you guys next time. Let's do a quick scroll through. I'll be posting these slides afterwards as well, by the way.